figure out the floor plan. We have a scale of 68:1, and what that means is 68 inches in the actual situation is the same as 1 inch on the drawing. This is actual versus drawing. And so we need to figure out if on the drawing there's a measurement of 2.5, what is that in actual measurement? So the 2.5 here, and we want the missing number. And in this case, I can just multiply up to get that. So on my calculator, I want to know what is 68 times, and this is going to be better as an improper fraction. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5 halves. And that's going to give me an answer in inches that I then need to turn to feet. First time I did this problem, I forgot that step. And so to adjust that after, we know that there's 12 inches in 1 foot. So we can convert from inches to feet by then dividing by 12. So we have 2 things to do, and that should give us an answer in feet. And again, typically we do feet and inches, but here they're just saying feet to the nearest hundredth of a foot. So I've got my scale of 68 that I am multiplying by 2.5 inches, which is 5 halves inches. So that'd be 170 inches. And then I want to divide by 12 to turn that into feet. And I'm going to get 14.17 to the nearest hundredth feet. And then we're going to do the same thing for the other dimension. So I have my 68:1 ratio. And I want to know what is that in actuality compared to 3 1/4 in the drawing. And like before, we're going to multiply that up. So our missing number is whatever 68 times. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. And again, that's inches. And like before, if we divide that by 12, that will give us an answer in feet. And we're going to round that. Round it up there. We equals 68 times 13/4, and then that's 221 inches divided by 12 inches in a foot to turn that to feet. So 18.42. Next, we want to know what the area of the room is in square feet, so we can just multiply those two to get the area. Approximations 14.17 times 18.2. I'm getting about 261.01. Let's see what our homework system thinks about that. So we think it's going to be 14.17 for say the width. The length should be about 18.42 feet. The area then will be about 261. I don't think the extra bits are going to matter, but we'll put it away. Doesn't like my rounding on that one. So typically when you have a rounding problem like that, it means you shouldn't have rounded intermediately. So what we can do to clean that up is we can just enter the more decimal places. 1, there's a whole bunch of 6s in there, that many. And then here I'm just going to times the previous answer, so I don't have to worry about typing it. Okay, so this now says 260.9 or 90 is a little more accurate. And I like that a little bit better. So it wasn't happy with my intermediate rounding. Oh well. Now it's happy.